Ito ang paraan para makapag-charge ka ng mahal kahit para pareho lang produkto mo. Hulaan mo magkano to, okay? Itong pancake na to. What if sasabihin ko sa iyo na this is 5 times more expensive than a regular pancake? So, for context, a regular pancake is around 100 pesos per box. This is around 500 plus pesos per box. So, just imagine, nagbibenta sila ng pancake na mas mahal, na 5 times more expensive. Ang tanong, paano? Una is, they did not call it pancake. They called it power cake, no? In short, they positioned it not as a pancake. They positioned it as a protein breakfast. So, what's the lesson here? If you want to charge higher than your competitors, if you're noticing na parang pambaan yung mga competitors mo ng price, the first thing you do is you want to differentiate yourself. And how you do that is you create a new category. So in this case, pwede ka mag-invento ng pangalan, no? Kumbaga, you may not call it pancake, you may call it something else. So in this case, they call it a power cake. So you don't see any pancake thing here, no? That way, they cannot compare na your product with your competitor's product because in their eyes, you influence them na, oh, this is different. And because this is different, it is priced differently.